This is what nature does for me in my life. Every time I put myself outside, I'm hiking, I'm climbing a mountain, I'm swimming in the ocean, it makes me one with God. It makes me one with the earth. And I feel like most people aren't one with the earth or one with God today because they don't place themselves in the environment to be in nature. So for me, being in nature and surrounded by an environment of God's creativity always puts me in a peaceful and a calm mindset. If I'm not in nature every day, at least for 30 minutes to an hour, I start to become anxious and depressed and moody. So I would highly recommend to everyone that you just put yourself in nature. Go on a walk outside, go swim in the ocean, go walk barefoot in some grass.